Let's move out of BI Vision and into the production inquiry. So under reports, production inquiry. So I want to have a look at my current assemblies, and maybe I want to view on a per product level and compare current costs. So what I would do is group by my product, and then I can see how much of each product is being consumed, how much is being assembled, and what costs are going into that. This also helps me to see which products are across multiple assemblies and gauge if there's a particular product that requires more attention to get finished than another. As you can see here, I've got a product that looks like it really needs some attention. And so maybe I should focus on working on these assemblies first. Now, as part of your process, maybe you have a status that is called review. I'm going to jump this product description back down here and filter by my status. Now you could use this to review the current cost and the wastage of each assembly in this status. So I grab that wastage quantity, I can see that there. This will allow you to make decisions on planning your next production run and identify any ways to adapt your current run before finishing off this assembly.